guys, it's Chris from Supermarket 001, and I came up with a new series. Well, actually, someone else did. Well, a new series called the Comedy Series, and we're gonna do a little more of stunts and crazy things. So today we're gonna be playing hockey with an orange, but well, while we were rehearsing, I told the two idiots that were playing hockey with me not to hit the orange, but they did. So now it's in half. So now let's watch it splatter. Woohoo! This is gonna be comedy gold. Watch.
Destroy the orange!
Yeah, buddy.
Destroy the orange!
So we're gonna be playing hockey with an orange. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, Fabio.
Whoa! Yeah, orange.
Oh, look at that juice!
Oh yeah, I felt that splatter on my leg. Oh my gosh.
Oh, nice.
Oh, there's pieces of orange on the ground. That is messed
that
up.
is nice.
That is messed up.
Oh.
That is so messed up. How could you miss that? Oh my gosh, it's in half. It is in half. Oh my gosh, look, orange bits on the floor. Oh, he can split it in half. Oh, some juice got on the camera lens. Oh my gosh. Well, where'd it go?
Somewhere on the grass.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Look at the insides. What do we?
Holy. Wow, this is amazing. I've never seen someone play hockey with an orange.
Woo!
Oh, there's orange bits all over the driveway. My dad is not gonna like this. Ew, I just stepped on some orange. Gross.
Oh, yeah. Damn it.
Enough with the cursing, Fabio. Oh, that is messed up. Oh my gosh. Oh. You want to play with a different fruit now?
Yeah.
Like an apple? Okay, we'll try that. Right back. Man, that was a long way. I snuck the apple out here. My mom knows what we're doing, so we're good. But now we've got to do playing hockey with an apple.
Yeah. Kill the apple. Kill the apple.
Okay, we'll do the face-off of the apple. Oh, yuck. Wow. Oh, my gosh. Sorry, the camera turned off for a minute. There's apple bits. Oh, no. The apple. We are nature haters. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, my gosh. This is terrible. Whoa. Don't hit me, man. Oh, we got to finish this before someone sees. Kill it. Kill it. Oh, the apple's already rotting. Oh, the apple, it's in pieces. Oh gosh, this is awesome.
This is not pretty.
I felt, yeah, that is. Oh, it just split in half again. It is hard to get this on tape, man. You don't see people hitting apples with a hockey stick every day, do you? Well, you got to see it here, only at Supermarket 001, where everything goes a little crazy. Oh my gosh.
I think this is it. This is the last shot.
Come on, kill it. The last shot to kill it. We are nuts. Oh, and it's done. The apple. It's over. We'll see you next time on the comedy show on Supermarket 001 account. That's. Yeah. These are my partners, Fabio and Justin. And I am your host, Chris, from Supermarket 001. The comedy show, signing off!